So, a frequently asked question is what type of organizing supplies should I get? So, this is just a sampling of some of the ones that we keep in stock because they're really frequently used. However, all of this down here, all these big totes are things that clients have gotten rid of, and we're getting them sorted so we can get them donated or recycled if necessary. And that is what I wanted to really share with you today, because this is the time of the year that a lot of people go grab big storage totes to put all their holiday storage in, but they're too big to be manageable for the long haul. So really think about whether or not you can carry it by yourself, whether or not it can easily fit on your shelf, whether or not it can safely be carried up and down stairs, in and out of attics, garages, wherever you keep your holiday storage, and really think about maybe not having a whole lot of big, giant storage tubs, because eventually those are going to be clutter.